So here I am between the Montrose and River Oaks area of Houston, Texas, right down the street from where? You're right, Nico's, that great Greek joint that I really dug, to check out this English pub that's doing traditional English food, which might be, well, not exactly what everybody's thinking it is. So I thought I'd cruise down in the Red 67 to the Red Lion.
It's a little taste of Britain. You can have fish and chips.
Enjoy.
You can have Indian food. It's fantastic.
And I don't think people know how much Indian influence in dishes there are in England.
Oh, it's huge.
Thank you. English pub with that Houston twist.
Yep, Houston twist.
I am having the tandoori chicken enchiladas.
We have Tex Tandoori here.
Right.
The non-bread quesadillas, prawn.
Chicken tandoori quesadillas.
Chicken tandoori quesadillas. Okay, I'm interested.
When in Rome, gonna butterfly open.
So you can get more of the spice on it.
That's right. Salt, kosher salt, cayenne pepper, make it a little bit hotter here in Houston. And then the real flavor, tandoori masala.
This is what you would typically rub on chicken when you'd put it in the tandoor on a skewer.
Then, I'm gonna flip it over, and guess what?
You can put peanut butter on it.
Do it all over again. Although peanut butter might go nice.
So very liberal on the
yeah.
spice rub.
The lemon juice on there,
Then we're gonna hit the oven at what temp?
450,
This is only gonna take maybe 25 minutes.
25 exactly.
And then what's gonna happen?
We're gonna pull it apart. We're gonna tear it apart.
Really?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, you're gonna have to hurry up. Now, whose knives are over there?
Just the lines.
Oh.
I never saw that coming. I've never seen your show before.
Oh, I've never seen it. This is crazy good. I'm like out with some pasta.
We're gonna build the quesadilla. This is liquid butter, cilantro, sun-dried tomatoes, and chili pepper, like that.
Okay.
Liberal, liberal, liberal.
Some shredded mozz. Chicken's nuts. Oh, like 9-piece.
We have the pickled peppers
Oh, yeah.
and onion. Just a little bit more cheese. We're gonna place it in the fry pan. Let's saute it. Oh,
Look at the sparks. It's like 4th
I
of
like
July.
that. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Which, of course, we don't celebrate because we lost. Thanks for reminding me of such a painful experience.
Okay. Down it goes. 5 minutes, be ready to go.
Ready?
Look at that.
So, habanero relish. Carrots, onions, cucumber, garlic, and, of course, habaneros. We steep it in
White vinegar.
You take this.
Don't be shy. Yogurt, cilantro, cucumber, and mint.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Really nice. That is flavor all over the board.
I would like to have my food to have a beginning, a middle, and an end.
Dude, you got more acts there than Shakespeare.
5 minutes on the quesadilla, then, okay? Yes, sir.
Phenomenal. Best quesadillas I've ever had.
So I'm about 40 minutes outside of New York City in Middletown, New Jersey, in a little strip mall, and this is going to get confusing, so hold on. The current owner bought the restaurant from her uncle. The current chef learned to cook at this restaurant from his uncle. Well, the uncle's has since moved. Anyhow, the deal is they're making great Indian food, and you got to check it out. This is Howdy 35 Indian Bistro.
Half tandoori chicken for table 8.
The rule of thumb to measure Indian restaurants is a chicken tandoori, and this is the best I've had.
It hits your lips and it melts in your mouth.
What are we doing, chef?
Garam masala for tandoori chicken.
So how was it for you to learn about garam masala? This had to be a little bit of a change.
Oh yeah, my uncle, right? He's like my father.
Right.
So he teach me step by step. Coriander seed,
Green
green
cardamom?
cardamom, black cardamom,
A lot of clove.
any star,
Bay leaf?
cinnamon stick, black pepper.
Got it.
We had to marinate the tandoori chicken.
Is that an Indian yogurt?
Yes, Indian yogurt.
And that's raw garlic and raw ginger.
Chili garlic paste, put oil.
Ooh, I like the pour you did there. With a lot of flair. Yes, really nice.
Lemon juice. This is the garam masala we just made it. Black pepper, chickpeas flour, currant, paprika, salt.
Okay.
This is dry methi.
You're not methying around with that.
Yeah, and a little color.
Because everybody expects tandoori chicken to have that red hue to it.
Yeah.
All right, 24 hours, then we'll skewer it, cooked in the tandoori. How long does it take to cook?
Around 15 or 20 minutes.
Then we pull it out, cut it, we hit it with the ghee, we put it back in for how much longer?
Less than 4 minutes.
And that's really gonna brown when the ghee hits it, right?
Oh, yeah. Now I play the tandoori chicken.
I'm gonna drown in my drool right now.
Lemon juice, chaat masala.
And a little ghee, just a little bit of butter, a little bit of fat.
And serve it in this.
Do you stop showing off at any point? We went to the sizzling fajita platter.
Cilantro, a little more chaat masala for the taste.
There's something about cooking in the tandoor oven. It just gives you such a great crust and then just makes everything inside of it so moist. One of my favorite parts, though, is on the bottom of the sizzling skillet over here from the fajita platter. You get some kind of raw onions up here that are just warm from the hot chicken, but then you get the vegetables underneath that are a little bit more sauteed, so you get a couple of different textures.
It's good.
Not good, chef. Not good at all. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
tandoori chicken for you.
There's a depth of flavor. Every single thing that's on the plate is like a symphony.
It's out of bounds.
Hey, that's my line.
Lamb curry. The lamb curry is really incredible. So many spices mixing with the good, high-quality meat.
What we're gonna break into now is a curried lamb.
A chettinad lamb curry.
All right, let's see it.
I'm going to marinate this lamb stew, garam masala powder, cumin powder, chili powder, fennel powder, coriander powder, oil, curry leaves, some salt, ginger garlic paste,
Okay.
yogurt, mint, cilantro.
And how long are we gonna marinate the lamb?
8 to 12 hours.
All right, chef.
This is the masala mix for the lamb.
Cardamom.
Mace.
Mace that's on the outside of the nutmeg.
Exactly. Right.
Okay.
Do you know what is this?
It looks like some type of a moss.
This
Like
is
tree
this
bark.
is yeah. This is a lichen.
We got tree bark, wing of bat.
Cloves, fennel seed,
Okay.
cumin seed, peppercorns, bay leaf,
Star anise.
cinnamon, coriander.
Coriander. And what is that little funky thing?
Seed, Marathi mokka.
Ah, that's what I was gonna call it.
This is kind of a caper.
But dried,
Poppy seed, curry leaves,
of course.
and some red chilies.
So you give this a nice little toast?
Yeah.
Where are you getting all your spices from, chef?
From Albuquerque.
That's usually where I go for my heavy Indian spices, Albuquerque.
Add water. I want a smoother paste.
And now we're gonna build the dish.
Yeah. Fennel seed,
Star anise,
peppercorns, green cardamom,
bay leaf, clove, the mace, the funky pod thing.
yeah, and cinnamon, cumin, onions.
Okay.
Add a little salt, turmeric, and it cooks for like 15 minutes. And then we add ginger garlic paste, and then the tomatoes,
Then marinated lamb goes in
the chettinad masala.
that we made.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stew this down
For like 1.5 hours, and then we'll add the cashew paste.
at the very end.
Now the lamb curry is ready to taste.
Spice oil, got it. Daikon and carrot, beets, mint.
Yeah, cherry tomatoes. That's it.
Now, do you take the rice to the lamb or the lamb to the rice?
However you like it.
That's what I want to do, is jump right in it. I want you to think about your favorite beef stew when you were a kid. And then I want you to think that your cousin from India decided to make you their family's version of it. It's rich, it's hearty. I'm getting spice, I'm getting smoke, I'm getting acid, and a little bit of heat. It's all over the board,
Thank you.
but delicious.
Chettinad lamb curry.
So tender, and it melted in my mouth.
You combine the sweet and the spicy with the lamb and the rice together. It's very tasty.
I'm looking for Indian food. Oh, you're seeing it sprout up all over the country. Big flavors, great stories, and I got one for you right here at a gas station. This is Tandoori Oven.
Saag paneer on A1, please.
It's like a smorgasbord of flavors.
The lamb karahi.
When this restaurant came, it was a huge welcome for people to understand how great Indian food really is.
And it's Chef Sham Arora and his family who are schooling the locals about the regional flavors of their homeland.
Northern India.
Northern is more meat and more sauce?
It's like more rich food, like more everything.
And when did you come to the United States?
1997.
And then your whole family's here now?
Yes, sir.
Everybody work in the restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's everything tasting over here, guys?
I love the lentil bread. I love the plum sauce. I love the tikka masala.
Would it be easier to ask you what you don't like?
Probably.
The chicken tikka masala.
So today we had the chicken tikka masala, which is like an Indian stew.
It's creamy. It has incredible flavor. You just get the whole experience.
What are we gonna make?
Chicken tikka masala.
Gotta do the sauces first.
Yeah. We're just going to make onion gravy. Oil, cumin, coriander.
I'm done cutting all of these onions.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very little. Be careful with those. I'd worked on those all day.
Tomato.
In the water.
Next, we have to make a separate sauce, oil, ginger garlic, this garam
The garam masala.
turmeric, paprika.
We'll add it to the onions and the tomatoes. We'll hit it with the immersion blender, and then the onion gravy's done.
Onion gravy is done.
Now we're gonna make the chicken for the tikka masala.
Yes, sir. Homemade yogurt, salt on it, paprika, turmeric, garam masala, and lemon juice, ginger garlic, then little touch of color. We add some chicken.
48 hours of marinade.
48.
What temperature is the tandoor oven running at right now?
Almost 400.
Is there wood in there?
Mystery charcoal.
You're not going to tell me? It's a mystery charcoal.
No, mystery
I wonder if it's... Oh, mesquite.
Mesquite charcoal.
Thought it was mystery charcoal. Chicken's working. Time for the sauce.
Put some little ginger garlic, little bell pepper, some cream.
Onion gravy, tomato gravy.
This is the chicken tikka.
And how long does this cook?
Just until boiled.
And what's in the rice, chef?
Cloves, bay leaf, and cumin seed.
Delicious.
Then fenugreek leaf, cilantro, tikka masala, and then good to go, sir.
Now, what is the correct way to eat this?
Over the rice, but mostly in northern India, we have to scoop the bread.
Ah, well, you just told me put it over the rice. I'm having anxiety right now about how to shovel it in fast enough, but do it and not look like I'm the first time a dog's seen a bowl of food. Oh, God. This is very approachable. That's probably one of the staple dishes that people should try when they're trying Indian food for the first time. Oh, my gosh, I'm telling you.
Thank you.
The chicken tikka masala for you.
The chicken is so tender. My teeth just sink into it.
Perfect blend of spice.
So here I am about 10 miles north of Nashville to visit a joint that's, well, not your typical Nashville restaurant. But then again, it's not your typical Mediterranean place either. Nor is it the typical Indian restaurant. I guess you'd kind of have to put it together and say it's a Nashville Mediterranean Indian experience. Yeah, that's it. This is Cafe Rocca.
Chicken kebab spicy. I watched my grandmother cooking most of this stuff.
Back in Syria.
This is done.
Where Riyadh Al Qassim,
Lamb chop is ready.
everyone calls him Chef Rocca, grew up.
I love to cook.
And his recipes go back centuries.
Okay.
Like this top seller.
Lamb korma is always excellent. It's a complex flavor.
So, leg of lamb. I'm gonna clean it.
Take all the fat off.
Yeah, I'll leave a little bit. Gives it
Moisture.
the great flavor to the meat. This is gonna be cooked in spices only. Peanut oil.
Green cardamom.
This is what we call the leaf of cardamom. This is a plant. It's very good. We add it to it. Now this one is like Syrian cardamom.
So this is dried cardamom.
Yeah.
We're going all in with this.
Bay leaves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, cumin, coriander as well goes in.
Turmeric.
Saffron, salt,
Himalayan salt.
pepper.
These seasonings are just really opening up right now.
We're gonna add
Little garlic.
ginger. We have to stir them, take a whiff.
Whoa!
Now we're gonna add our lamb egg.
Coating this whole thing.
That's right.
Throw a lid.
This is gonna take about 30 minutes.
Now we're gonna make a sauce that goes along with that. Again, toasting up all the spices.
That's right. Peanut oil, fennel seed, ajwain,
Ajwan. Add 2.
cinnamon sticks, coriander, cumin,
Turmeric. Black Syrian cardamom.
saffron,
Wow, it's like a spice fest.
ginger, pureed garlic, again our cardamom leaves.
Himalayan salt. Green cardamom. Little bay leaf.
That's it. We stir. When the spices are brown,
This looks good. I'll be over here.
we're gonna add our tomato puree to it.
How long is this gonna cook?
Approximately an hour. And you cannot take your eye off it.
You burn it.
You're done. We're gonna add sour cream, the homemade yogurt. Now we're gonna add the milk. We're gonna stir it very good.
It's all mixed up. Cook on very low. 3.5 hours.
Stir occasionally every 3-4 minutes.
The sauce is done. The lamb is finished. Now,
We're gonna make the lamb korma. Add 1 ladle of spice water.
with the cumin and the lemon and the salt and the garlic.
We're gonna take the korma sauce, bring it to a boil. Some of the lamb, 1 dry fig. Cover and
Let it simmer just a little bit.
it takes about 5 minutes. There, that's it. We'll come right here to plate. Dry cherry and
Raisins.
when you add the cilantro, you add it at the bottom. You submerge it with this, and as you eat, it comes up and hits the notes.
I don't know to call him chef or maestro.
Parsley.
But that's how it goes. Are you kidding me? Fantastic. You are surrounded in flavor. Wow. You probably not had lamb this tender. This is like Mediterranean bolognese. I'm sorry, I gotta do it. One more bite. Outstanding.